Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing a grocery haul and a little bit of mobile home living. I've got some things to clean up in the kitchen. I'm also getting this video started with laundry, just getting a load of laundry switched over and getting our dirty clothes in the washing machine. I have got a grocery haul, a weekly grocery haul from Food Line to share with y'all at the end of this video, and then we'll go ahead and just restock everything. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Welcome if you are new, subscribe if you like homemaking videos, and let's just get into it. The next thing I was going to do is get the trash area cleaned up. So I'm going to start out by just getting this big thing of trash out of this can. And then I'm going to wipe down the trash can next to it because it has gotten really dirty. And it's also dirty on the wall. And then there's a little bit of food and crumbs on the floor behind the trash can, so I'm going to get those cleaned up as well. Y'all are going to see a Mrs. Meyer's bottle, but inside that bottle I have water and some Fabulosa all-purpose cleaner. When you don't connect to me, oh, why can't you let me know where we at? 'Cause we don't got forever. Alright y'all, I am done in this area, so I am going to be picking up this karaoke machine, getting it back into the living room where it goes. I normally have it in the living room, but whenever I charge it, I just bring it in here on in the kitchen. Yes, that is me. That's one of my videos on the TV screen. I always let every time one of my videos goes up and is public, I will also let it play. That way I feel like I'm watching it with y'all. Since y'all are taking your time out of your days to watch my videos, I just go ahead and let it play. I feel like it sends out all the good vibes and everything like that. Okay, so now I'm back in the kitchen. Do y'all know how awkward it is to talk on camera or in a voiceover? I've been doing this for almost 5 years, and you would think by now it would be so easy, but it is not. I am constantly deleting a voiceover clip and redoing it because I'm like, what in the world just came out of my mouth? Anyways, forever awkward over here, but it's okay. I attract all the other weird girls, and I approve of this message. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. And now in the background, Carrie Lynn's video is playing, and it was one of those where they were working on the pool deck, and Aaron was sitting here while I was doing this. He was sitting in here watching it with me, which I thought was so fun. I love it whenever he comes to the living room and he just sits down. He does not complain at all about the types of videos I watch. He just sits there, and sometimes he acts like he's interested in them. So I'm curious if any of your anybody in your house, really, do they also watch the homemaking videos with you, or is it just something that you like to do?
kidding? We can't pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about.
It is grocery haul day, and I wanted to wrap up this video by giving y'all the haul and then letting you know what we're gonna be planning on eating. So we got the combo pack cheese heads, sharp cheddar, and beef sticks. I actually haven't been eating the cheese part, but I really like eating the beef sticks kind of middle of the day before it's time to cook anything. And then we got some steakums, so I will actually make some steak subs in the next video, most likely. So we got 2 of those because they were buy one get one free, I believe. Also got some Food Line. This is a double pack of cheese, and it's the sharp cheddar and pepper jack. Got a big bag of shredded cheese because we're gonna have tacos one night. So far, steakums, tacos. Got some cereal because we have milk in the fridge. Another night we're going to do some ham steak. These were on sale for $1.99, and we'll have those with mashed potatoes and green beans. And then we got some of these famous seasoned fries by Chickers or Rallies, and we're going to have those if I make homemade hamburgers, or if when we do the steakums we could have those on the side. Got some hamburger meat, probably for hamburgers because I've got some hamburger buns in the cabinet, and then also tacos, strawberry kiwi Kool-Aid again, and then I got the tropical punch because I haven't had that one yet and I hope I like it. Got some granulated sugar for our tea and Kool-Aid, and then the Doritos were also buy one get one free today when I went, so it's actually Friday for y'all. I don't know if the sale is still going to be the same, but they were buy one get one free, so we just got one bag because at Food Line if you get one it's just 50% off, which is awesome. We got some of this Pepperidge Farm soft white hoagie rolls, and these are going to be for the steakum sandwiches. Then a big thing of Sparkle. These were $5.49 on sale, and it says it's like equals to 8 regular paper towels. Ritz crackers. Erin likes having peanut butter or cheese with those, I think. We also got 4 of these for Chloe. Same thing as always. This one's the beef, carrots, peas, and barley. It's the Beneful chopped blends. So she used to do the cans. These are the same exact thing as the can, just in these bigger tubs. I got some Food Line gallon size bags because we were all out of those. Went to look for one yesterday and we didn't have any left. The Pepsi products were also buy one get one free, so Erin picked out Starry. Some tortilla shells for tacos. We were pretty much out of body wash, and we both like the Old Spice, so we got the Old Spice. This one's the Night Panther. It smells good, and it was on sale, so that was good. And then this was also on sale. This is actually what we're gonna have tonight, but y'all have seen me make so many pizzas out of a box, so I'm just gonna do that once the video's over. But these are new. It's their loaded ultra thin. And if you liked the 4 meat pizza, then you'll probably like the carnivore. I think it's just rebranded into that. So, because I can't find it anywhere. But this is also thin, so. Oh, and it's like ultra thin, so it's really good. And the last thing we got was 2 big jugs of water because we like to drink water around here. And as much as I have been liking the Kool-Aid, I can't be drinking it all day because it's got sugar in it. So got some water. Alright, I'm gonna get all of this put away and then we'll be done. wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did. And I should see y'all back here tomorrow, but just in case, it may be the day after tomorrow that I have it uploaded, because we do have a doctor's appointment to go to. But as long as that doesn't run like super long, I should be able to still film a video that day. So I will see y'all when I see you. Bye.
And